Hi, my name is Joyce, and in today's video, I will be moving out of my student accommodation and into my very first apartment in Sydney. Yay! It's moving day. I'm going to make a couple trips over because I'm hauling everything over by myself. Some of these, there's still a lot of stuff because I'm moving tomorrow as well. Today's Saturday. I have a couple more that I've packed already. Here, these 2 suitcases, and there's another big bag inside. I'm trying to see if I can even carry this down myself. Yeah, could do. Okay, so I just dropped off my first batch of luggages. I'm gonna take you on a little mini tour. Bathroom. Oops, wrong light. Closet. Oh wow, why is it so zoomed in? My bad. I love this little nook space that I think I might set up like a little chair desk situation here. Look at that. The view here is insane.
Oh my god.
Wait, should we pour at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. I think the ice blocks are in the way. It's like nature's cereal. Why am I gonna eat this for dessert every single day now?
Every single day.
Hello. It is currently the next day at 2 p.m. I've been packing the rest of my stuff for like the past 4 hours. Evidently, my bed is all cleared up. These are like the remaining bags I have to carry over. I don't know how I'm gonna haul the rest of this over because I severely underestimated the amount of stuff I have and like the manpower. I only have 2 arms, so this is the last little batch / haul until I'm fully moved out. Exciting!
I'm trying so hard not to like you.
Okay.
There's so much
The place.
Yes, and the rest of the microwave. Please fit. No way. Is it a perfect fit?
It's a perfect fit.
Oh, that's so cute.
They like look so good.
I'm so tired.
Oh, wow, this is cute.
Yay! I feel so accomplished right now. Wait, but why aren't the wheels like wheeling?
Wait, it's so cute. Sit and roll. Oh, this is like magic. We missed like half of
Yeah, I was just like, it's like so unstable.
Wow. Okay, whole weight. Is it your whole weight? Okay, sit. You're so scared. Legs up. Yeah.